Yesterday, your analysis ran perfectly. Today, the same script fails before line 10. You did not change the code, so what changed? Usually the stage changed. Python are a package, the operating system, or a hidden system library. This is dependency drift. The software environment moves around your analysis, while the script itself stays still. A script alone is not a complete method. Reproduction also needs the runtime, package names, and exact versions that made the script work. Think of code as a play. The script may be identical, but change the cast, props, or stage, and the performance changes. The practical fix has 3 parts: describe the environment, pin critical versions, and generate a machine-readable lockfile that tools can rebuild. Then rebuild it somewhere clean. If a fresh machine can run the complete analysis from scratch, your environment description is evidence, not wishful thinking. Containers can freeze more of the stage, but they are not magic. Keep the recipe readable and update it deliberately. SepiaLog records why an environment changed beside the project path and exact git or DataLad commit. Keep code and environment together. Rebuild tomorrow. Visit SepiaLog.com.